Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful Easter holidays, and today is technically my first trading day of the week, and let me share with you guys how I analyze market today and help my traders to bank amazing profits. Especially we had amazing volatility in the yen pair, all the yen pair. Most of the traders enjoyed pivoting today on dollar yen, euro yen, and pound yen. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market today. And if you don't want to miss my analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move into the three major currency pair: Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. If you look at the Euro USD, and if you look at I did a couple of analysis for yesterday for my traders because they were trading it. As you can see, a market open, we had a short trade here, bank beautiful pips as soon as the market hit to the previous low level. And today we had a long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the previous high, we bank amazing profit. After that, the market was consolidated. So technically, look at here, price is trapped into this consolidation. Let's see tomorrow, even if you look at the Bollinger Band, is squeezing it. Let's see tomorrow if the Bollinger Band, if the market is going to break, then possibility of counter long trade here. If the price going to break the previous low, then possibility we're going to be taking a pullback. Short trades continue on EURUSD. All right, let me share with you entries and exit, how I analyze in intraday to help my traders to squeeze amazing pips. As you can see here, the market open, I did this analysis for my trader. You can see here breakout, nicely profit target hit, bank beautiful PPs, and after that I did this analysis and I also updated that analysis again. Here you can see here that was a pretty straightforward the breakout. After the breakout, we have another beautiful pretty straightforward. Every time when the market breaks the previous low, and that's the point of interest, and after this breakout we're expecting another pullback. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, you can see here price nicely respected this fib channel, and also with the support line. And as you can see here, as soon as the price hit to the profit target, explained to my traders, time to enjoy some profit. So once we're banking some profit today morning, as explained to my trader, there's a possibility am I going to see counter opportunities because the price was respecting the previous week low. And if you look at the intraday, and that the pattern does help us to in order to consider counter long trade. If you look at here, we have the inverted head and shoulder pattern. As soon as the price broken, we had a beautiful long trade here. As always, our first fib channel is always be the target, but technically if you look at here, this was the previous high even in a 4 hour, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. And let's see if we can get another pullback. Let's see what sort of market is going to develop a pattern. And after that, you can see here price develop a sideways market. That's what I explained to my trader. We are still looking for this breakout. We'll let you know tomorrow, guys. And let's move into the pound dollar. Pound dollar, we had a beautiful trade too. And if you look at the 4 hour chart at the market open, and I did this analysis at the Asian session yesterday, look for this breakout. Our buys was short here, and we had this beautiful breakout short trade here. Price bank, most of the traders bank beautiful pips today. Yesterday short, and today we had a long trade here, and afterward was the price respected this level, a resistance level, we had a short trade here. As soon as the price respected the previous low, explained to my traders, time to bank some profit. And if you look at here, the price trap into the sideways market, and let's see if the market is going to break this sideways tomorrow or not. If you look at the Bollinger Band is also squeezing, we'll let you know tomorrow. Let me share with you guys how I analyze entries and exit yesterday and today and help my traders to squeeze amazing pips. Okay, so if you look at here, this was the pretty straightforward. You can see here consolidation. You can see here during holiday period, you can see here market develops consolidation. Even in 4 hour, you can see here this was the consolidation. That was a pretty straightforward breakout and fib channel hit, bank some profit, and amazing trade. After this banking some profit, I did another pullback. Look for pullback. I also mentioned 3-4 times, guys, look for pullback at this level. Same analysis. I did another pattern here, guys, keep in take. As you can see here, the price nicely develop a pullback here, beautiful pullback, and after that banking some profit, another pullback. As you can see here, price such a beautiful nicely developed pullback, and that's why we explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. Once you see the momentum is bearish, every time price break the previous low and respect, as you can see even now here, beautiful pullback short trade on pound dollar. So today, as explained to my trader, look here, Looks like the price is respecting the major support level with possibility of a counter long trade here. As you can see here, the price develops sort of like you can see here, falling wedge and beautiful counter opportunity. As soon as the price broken the previous high, beautiful breakout. After the breakout, we have another pullback. As soon as the price hit to the previous high in 4 hour at the 200 EMA in intraday system, that's what explained to my trader it's time to bank some profit. All right, so after banking some profit, as you can see here, the price respected the previous high in 4 hour. There's a possibility of reversal at this level, even though we had a bullish engulfing candle. Well, that was the major resistance level. And if we look at the intraday system, and that's what I explained to my trader, look here, you have the head and shoulder pattern, and if the price gonna break this previous low and take a short trade here, after that pull back. So technically, safest trade I explained to my trader, look for this breakout, as you can see here. And you can see here, after the breakout, price nicely did a pullback as soon as the price hit to the previous low level, and that's what I explained to my trader it's time to enjoy some profit. After banking some profit, as always, look for another pullback, which you can see here, price nicely expected at this level. As soon as the price develop a double bottom here, and looks like the price might going to respect this level, explain to my trader it's time to enjoy some PPs or move your stop loss at the break even, which we technically came out at the break even. All right, let's move into the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had a good trade, as you can see here in 4 hour chart. At the market open, we had a one small long trade. We were expecting continuation, as you can see here, after this breakout, but the price broke on. We also had a long trade here at the market open. Afterwards, we have this breakout short trade here, bank beautiful pips. As soon as the price respected this previous low level, as you can see at this level, we also had, and after this candle, we have another counter long trade and beautiful pips on dollar CAD. Let me share with you the entries and exit. And if you look at the okay, so you can see here that was the beautiful you can see here that was the consolidation breakout, as mentioned in the market open. That was a beautiful breakout, bank few PPs, and afterwards, as you can see here, the price came back here, developed consolidation. As you can see, as mentioned, around at the 4 hour, we have this breakout. After the breakout pullback, beautiful short trade on dollar CAD this morning. As mentioned, we were expecting after the breakout pullback, and that's once we see the price respected in 4 hour and we see this candle is performed. This is bullish indecision candle, spinning top candle perform, and as soon as the price broke on the previous high, explained to my trader, look for as soon as the price gonna break this level, and that's the aggressive breakout. Otherwise, after the breakout, safest way to look for pullback. So we have aggressive breakout long trade here, nicely hit to the profit target, and afterwards, we, as explained to my trader, after the breakout, expect another pullback, first pullback around this level, which price nicely develop a pullback. As soon as the price hit to this level, explain to my trader it's time to enjoy some profit. All right, guys, I know you can see that how we analyze market in 4 hour, how we analyze entries and exit, and bank amazing profit. All right, let me share with you the dollar yen. We had amazing trade, guys. We were long from market open from here. As soon as the price broken, we will keep taking a pullback long trade here. Okay, so if you let me share with you the entries, we had a beautiful trades here. We were expecting some counter as well. You can see here the market open. You can see that was the beautiful breakout long trade here yesterday, and afterwards, explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. 1, 2, 3, 4, all these pullbacks. Once the price hit to the major level, and once the price develop, as you can see here, price develops sort of like a head and shoulder pattern in intraday, and that's what I explained to my look for this breakout, which we have taken this counter short trade here, and we were expecting, to be honest, continuation, but price reverse. And as soon as we bank some PPs and explain to my trader, look for another pullback. As you can see here, that was the counter short trade, by the way. You can see here, that was the beautiful counter short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the support level again, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. And let's see, as you can see here, afterwards, market reverse aggressively. So that's what I explained now. Be patient, look for another pullback around this level. You can see here, price nicely develop another pullback, as mentioned on the analysis, banking another pips, and then price reverse aggressively. And that's what I explained to my trader, guys, don't trap into the mindset that is gonna reverse. As long as the market moves in direction, we're gonna taking trade according to the analysis and according to the momentum. As you can see here, that was a pretty straightforward breakout. Another long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the even fib channel, explain to my traders time to bank some profit. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis as you see how we analyze market in 4 hour and banks, profit through intraday every single day. As always mentioned, guys, you should be watching those analyses in real time. And with the live RD commentary support, I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. Or even if you are struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time with the live RD commentary support. And once you develop your trading skill, I can also help you to get funded. If you are interested how I coach and train my traders with the live market every single day, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Most welcome. Join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.